Hi, I'm Michael O'Neill, and in this video, I'm going to unbox, I'm going to unbag and unbox a new video for my Canon M50 camera and show you why my Rode VideoMic Go is going in the trash.
Job security for the unemployable.
Michael, you're so naughty.
This is going to be a fairly quick video. When I decided last year that I wanted to get into video, the first person I reached out to was my buddy Jase Bennett. Now, Jase is the matriarch of, is that right? Patriarch. Patriarch? Matriarch. What's the boy? He's the boy of the Ohana Adventure, which is a family-based YouTube channel. They have 3 million subscribers, or very close to that at this point. And I said, dude, what camera should I get? Tell me what to do. He said, get the Canon M50. All of my kids have them. So these are people that make a living on YouTube, literally. They make their full-time income doing videos for YouTube. And they all use the Canon M50 little mirrorless DSLR, which is what I'm shooting this video on. Now, when you buy that kit, it comes with a Rode microphone. And the Rode microphone it comes with is this guy. And this is the Rode VideoMic Go. Not a super expensive microphone. It comes with a dead cat like this that you can put on so you can block the wind. The problem with it is, and this wasn't isolated to me, nor was it isolated to a single occasion, but the other day was the last straw. I went to film my Zoom H6 recorder video, which you can check out also on my channel if you're interested in podcasting. And here's what happened. Now, when I travel all over the world to speak at events, I often get to interview my other fellow speakers, which gives me some great content. However, I want to be able to give a great quality recording, even if I'm in a really loud lobby of a hotel. Now, that static is not isolated to me. If you look on Amazon for the Canon M50 and this Rode VideoMic Go in particular, you're going to see a ton of reviews where people have a really hard time with the static. And it's such a bummer when you have a great take, you've got a great video, and then you plug it into your computer and you see all of that static and you go, crap, I have to completely re-record all this stuff. In fact, if you look at that initial video, you'll see that I'm not even recording in my studio. I was recording out in my living room. And after I had to redo it, I ended up recording in the studio. So that was the last straw for me. If you guys are into vintage Porsches or car restorations, I have another whole channel, my Rennch channel, which is R-E-N-N-C-H. In fact, I'll put one of those little info clickers there that I'm filming a ton of videos on, and I literally can't afford, like, I'm working on the car, I can't redo it. You know, if I'm welding something or if I'm trying to fabricate or do something on the car and all the audio is messed up, I can't afford that. So once again, I reach out to Jase and I say, hey dude, you do this for a living. What do you use for microphones? And he says, well, this is the one that I like. So I ordered it. Let's get rid of that one for now. Let's have a look here at what Amazon Prime delivered. And I'll tell you, I forget the name of what this microphone is. We'll soon find out. This is the Comica CVM-VM10. And I've heard tons of great things about this microphone. So let's have a little unbox and let's check it out, shall we? Now, I did read on Amazon that this thing used to come with a really cool carrying case. Looks like it doesn't come with it anymore, which is a bummer. But let's see. So out of the gates, yeah, it is really tiny. Look at that little guy. It's like a little guy on top. And you've got your little dead cat. This is for, if you guys don't know, this is for wind noise. So if it's very windy outside, this thing stops all the wind noise. Here's the other thing I love about this. This is one of the reasons I decided to get this camera. So this is the one that Jase recommended. And it actually comes with two cables. There's this one and this one. One of these plugs into your camera which is, this is the camera connector, black and black. The other one, this is really cool. The other one actually plugs into your iPhone or your smartphone. So if you have a phone and you can get an adapter that you can run this thing right from your phone. Normally you have to buy a whole different set of cables, which is like 15, 20 bucks. And really cool that this thing allows you to mount to your phone. So I like the dual threat. Oops. Easy. Jeez. So I like that you can mount that to your phone. It's kind of a dual threat. What I'm gonna do now is actually plug the microphone into the camera and we'll film the rest of this video that way. So this is the audio right now. I'm using full auto on the Canon, meaning it's in automatic mode and not in manual mode. This is how, if it was out of the box, this is what it would sound like. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Here is the audio. I'm trying not to do, of course I won't know until after, but I'm trying not to do anything in editing so that you can actually hear not only what the raw camera audio sounds like, but now with the shotgun mic. So I'm gonna switch it now from automatic audio to manual audio, one click up, which is one of the techniques I've been told is the way to go with the audio. It's a little quieter, but it gives you a better, higher range of audio for your vlogging for your Canon M50. So here's what that sounds like. So this is what it sounds like, manual mode. A few clicks up, it's a little bit below halfway. So, you know, the sound field is going up maybe 3/4 of the way to -12, which is where the limit is before it starts getting distorted. But this is the Comica CVM-VM10, and it's a little micro guy. This thing was like, I don't know, 50 bucks? 50 bucks on Amazon. I've got the link in the description and in the first comment. You tell me, what do you think of this mic? You know, I love how compact it is, first of all. I think that's awesome. And I'm excited to try this version on my phone, but this needs to be a no-brainer. You know what I mean? Like, when you're gonna record a video, if you're vlogging or you're using a Canon M50 and you've got that Rode VideoMic Go and it's giving you static and your videos are getting ruined, you gotta do something. So I'm hoping that this mic is awesome. I never have to think about it again. You know, and Bob's your uncle. So if this helps you, hopefully, this is, again, just kind of a quickie video to let you know what I'm doing and why I changed from the VideoMic Go to the Comica VM10. So with that, I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.